Alright, tonight we're going to do a little sound test. We're going to play this one, the soprano, then I'll play the concert, and then I'll play the tenor, and then I'll play the baritone. And I'm going to do G, C, F, and D chords. Alright, that's the soprano. This one is the concert. Alright, that's the concert. This one is the tenor. And you can tell it's got the straighter lines on it. That's the tenor. And you'll see this one's the baritone. It's got more zigzags in the lines on it. Alright, I wanted to do a C or a G first. G, C, F, and D. That's the baritone. I guess now we can compare it to a guitar, just to see what the difference is. Alright, that's the guitar. Which one do you like best?